Hello everyone, welcome back to the Data World Solution. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important technologies in modern data engineering and big data systems, Delta Lake. If you are working with Apache Spark, Databricks, Azure Data Engineering, data warehousing, ETL pipelines, data lakes, then understanding Delta Lake is extremely important because in real world projects, normal data lakes have many problems like duplicate data, corrupted files, slow updates, no transaction management, difficult recovery, poor data reliability. And this is exactly where Delta Lake comes into the picture. In this lecture, we will understand what is Delta Lake, why Delta Lake is required, problems with traditional data lakes, benefits of Delta Lake architecture, Delta Lake AP is in Databricks, step-by-step practical demos using PySpark, real-world use cases. So stay with me till the end because this topic is heavily used in modern cloud projects. What is Delta Lake? Delta Lake is an open source storage layer built on top of existing data lakes. It was created by Databricks. Delta Lake adds powerful database like features into data lakes. Normally, data lakes store files like CSV, JSON, Parquet, Avro. But these files alone do not provide asset transactions, version control, reliable updates, data consistency, schema enforcement. Delta Lake solves these problems. In simple words, Delta Lake converts a normal data lake into a reliable and high performance data platform. Before understanding Delta Lake benefits, first let us understand the problems in traditional data lakes. Imagine you are storing sales data in Parquet files. Now suppose one user is reading the data, another user is updating the data, another process is deleting records at the same time. This creates problems like dirty reads, partial updates, corrupted data, inconsistent reporting. Traditional data lakes also struggle with updating records, deleting records, handling streaming plus batch together, schema mismatch, file corruption recovery. This is why companies needed something more reliable, and Delta Lake was introduced. One of the biggest features of Delta Lake is ACID transactions. ACID stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. Let us understand simply. Atomicity. Either complete operation succeeds or fails completely. Consistency. Data remains valid before and after transaction. Isolation. Multiple users can work simultaneously without affecting each other. Durability. Once data is committed, it remains safe even after system failure. Delta Lake provides all these capabilities. Now let us understand the architecture. Delta Lake mainly contains data files, transaction log. The transaction log is stored inside a folder called underscore delta underscore log. This folder stores metadata, transactions, schema changes, file versions, commit history. This is the heart of Delta Lake. Whenever data changes, Delta Lake updates transaction logs, tracks all operations, maintains version history. That is why Delta Lake supports time travel, rollback, version recovery. Now let us discuss the major benefits. Asset transactions. Delta Lake supports reliable transactions. This prevents data corruption, partial updates, concurrent write issues. Very useful in enterprise projects. Schema enforcement. Delta Lake validates schema before writing data. For example, if table column is equal and someone tries to insert string values, Delta Lake prevents incorrect data insertion. This improves data quality. Schema evolution. Delta Lake can automatically evolve schema. Suppose new column arrives in source system, Delta Lake can add the new column dynamically. Very useful for evolving business systems. Time travel. One of the most powerful features. You can access older versions of data. Example, yesterday's data, last week's version, previous transaction state. This is useful for auditing, recovery, debugging, historical analysis, unified batch and streaming. Delta Lake supports both batch processing, streaming processing. Using the same table, this simplifies architecture. Update and delete support. Traditional Parquet files do not support easy update or delete operations. Delta Lake supports update, delete, merge, upsert, similar to SQL databases. Faster performance. Delta Lake improves performance using data skipping, file compaction, optimizations, caching, especially useful for large scale analytics. Data reliability. Delta Lake ensures no corrupted reads, reliable writes, better consistency. Very important for production systems. Delta Lake storage format. Delta Lake internally stores data mostly in Parquet format, but additionally it maintains transaction logs. So data to stored as Parquet, metadata to stored in underscore delta underscore log. This combination provides high performance, reliability, scalability. So that's a complete overview of Delta Lake and why it has become such an important technology in modern data engineering. We learned how Delta Lake brings reliability to data lakes using ACID transactions, schema enforcement, schema evolution, and powerful features like time travel. It helps organizations build scalable, enterprise ready data platforms for both batch and streaming workloads, all on top of existing cloud storage. Whether you are working with Spark, Databricks, Azure Data Engineering, or modern analytics pipelines, understanding Delta Lake is becoming an essential skill for every data engineer. I hope this video helped you understand the concepts in a simple and practical way. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more content on Databricks, Spark, Azure Data Factory, Snowflake and modern data engineering technologies. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.